Hi everybody, my name is Roman and it's Marketing Watch House, and I hope you enjoy new presentation, new design of this channel, and I will continue actually working on it in the future. But today we have a very short video, so let's just go into it as fast as possible. And today we talk about app extensions. App extensions are very crucial for your mobile quality score and your mobile experience you give to your users, and it's also very crucial for promoting your app in a local app store, because the more visits you have, the more installs you have, the higher your app will be ranked. And as you know, usually apps provide much more engaged user, and user usually keep with the ad for a long time instead of your site, where people usually go to your site and they leave it after they even purchase something, but inside your app they can leave for ages and you can continue earning money throughout like years instead of days. So app extension is a very cool thing. It looks differently across different devices and different countries, and Google continue all the time to test how it looks like. But this is the picture I just took from the Google, where you see the small install button on the bottom right, and you also have the App Store rating. And App Store rating actually is there only because this app is connected to app extension. Even if the person will not go for install button and will still go to your site, the app rating increases your click-through rate on mobile advertising. So what you need to do, you need to remember that it's mobile only extension. It really drives conversions and it drives more visits and installs in your application for local store of Google and app and iOS, and it increases your quality score and click-through rate for your ad and for your keyword. So this is very crucial in case you have a relevant application for your business. To add it, it's very easy to add it. You just go inside your accounts to adds and extensions, then to extension tab, and you usually add extension account level and you do it only once. All you need to do, you need to create two different extensions in case you have two different applications, one for iOS and one for Android. When you pick Android or iOS, you need to put the ID or a link to your application depending if it's which platform you use, and you usually have this ID and link all the time. And if you don't know, for some cases, just Google for your app or ask your mobile developers, they will give it to you. Then you set up the link text. Usually it's download now, but if you promote a game, it can be play now or something like that. But usually it's download now. And then don't forget to put adjust tracking template. If you don't know where to take adjust tracking template, just go to your mobile developers or to go to your adjust profile and copy the ready to go tracking template from there. But usually if you don't know where to find it, you always have a mobile developer, mobile analyst or somebody else that knows where to take the tracking template. If you have no adjust tracking in your application, then just keep the tracking template empty and don't put anything there. And that's all I wanted to show you. That's a very simple thing to do. It will take maybe 5 minutes from your time to add these two extensions. They will really drive more conversions. The only thing you need to remember that sometimes you will pay in Google Ads account for clicks that goes directly to App Store, and you will see no traffic on your site, but you will still see the cost in your account. But that's okay, as long as you have Adjust or something else, something similar that tracks the performance of your application and tracks the source as a Google, you will see that these conversions just happen in a mobile app, not in a desktop, not on desktop. That's all. If you have any question, just ask in the comments. Subscribe to this channel, put likes really helps me to develop this channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to ask your questions if you have any in the comments below. See you and bye bye.